Hello everyone. Today is the last day of presentation season 3, and today's topic of my presentation is media ecology. So let's start. This is my personal information. These are some points to ponder which I'm going to discuss in today's presentation. First, let's start with the introduction. Media ecology is the communication theory, an interdisciplinary field of study that examines how media and communication technologies shape and influence human culture, society, and the environment. The term media ecology was coined by the Martian McLuhan, a Canadian media theorist, and it has since evolved into a broader area of research and inquiry. Media ecology theory posits that media and communication technologies are not just neutral tools for conveying information, but they have an profound impact on the way we perceive the world, interact with one another, and structure our societies. What is media ecology? If you replace the word substance with the word technology, the definition would stand as a fundamental principle of media ecology. A medium is a technology within which a culture grows. What is to say it gives from culture's politics, social organization, and habitual way of thinking. Beginning with what idea, we evoke still another biological metaphor, that of ecology. We put word media in front of the word ecology to suggest that we were not simply interested in media, but in the way in which the interactions between media and human being gives a culture its character, and one might say helps a culture to maintain symbolic balance. One of the other things that would makes new media ecology so powerful and adaptive to the new environment is its diversity. For example, the existence of different form of new media which are trying to convey the message and leveraging social construction of understanding. Like there are so many platforms for communications like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other things as well. Like Telegram is also there, Hike, or other things. So, media ecology theory provides a framework for understanding how these digital environments affect our social and cultural landscape. Fernandez Gutierrez, he was a Mexican researcher. He quote that media ecology is a meta discipline that deals with the study of a complex set of relationship or inter relationship between symbol, media, and culture. The word ecology implies the study of environments and their interrelationships with content, structure, and social impact. Media ecology have response by understanding their focuses on the interaction of communication, culture, and consciousness as a dynamic process rather than a communication technology as a singular derived form of social transformation. It is by now almost a commonplace to remark that the 20th century is an era of change, of a new era of change, unpredictable in its scope, its pace, and its potential for violent effect on the fabric of civilization. So these are some writers, or we can say a researcher or theorist, which remarks on ecology of media. Major theorist Lance Stress, he write a book, Media Ecology. He's located the area of media ecology inquiry. For this, he uses a set of questions that concerns media ecologists. First question is that, what does it mean to the human? What are the conditions that shapes the influence us as a species? How does human communication, consciousness, and culture changes over times, and in concern with the changing circumstances in which we find ourselves? What derives human history? So these are some points he asks. Lance has found a solution. He singled out four central concepts of media ecology and grounded around them all other notions. So these are some four points that he gave: notions, concepts, theories, and names. So these are some points he gave, and the four central concepts are medium, biases, effects, and environment. Second is Marshall McLuhan, who is a founder of this media ecology. According to Robert Logan, media and technologies are interchangeable in McLuhan's philosophy of media ecology. He talks of print as the technology of individual, but then he refers to media fallout. To understand McLuhan's philosophy of media ecology, it is essential to understand that media are technology and technologies are media. McLuhan regards all technologies and all tools as a media. The term media all is often used in common practice solely to refer to communication media. For McLuhan, a chair is a much of medium as a newspaper. So he gave an example of chair as a newspaper. The content of chair is the person sitting in it, and whether the content of newspaper is its news stories and its advertisements. In understanding media, McLuhan analyzed many different communications media, ranging from the spoken and written word of to radios, movies, television, and computer as well. So here are some points that he gave. In fact, the computers are referred to information technology supports the notion that the disconnection between media and technology is an artificial one. A computer is both technology and a medium of communication, as is the case with paper, the pen, and telephone, radio, television, and computer as well. McLuhan also argued that the medium is the message because the content of medium is in a certain way another medium. For example, the medium of speech becomes the content of writing, the medium of writing became the content of print, the medium of print became the content of hypertext. J. David Bolter and Richard Grusin refers to his process as a remediation, and they point out that the computer and computer network remains just about every other medium in existence, turning written documents, magazines, and newspaper in paintings and photographs. At the same time, computers' displays and interfaces are themselves remedies as control for older media and the motion pictures. When one medium became another medium's content, it became the code symbolic form or aesthetically style used to create specific message. So I give example of media ecology in the documentary which is released in 2020, The Social Dilemma. So in that, this says that the darker side of social media and its far-reaching impact on society. So in this media ecology, they are saying the same thing: how this medium of social media, or we can say media, is conveying, or we can say shaping the society. So in this also they are showing that how this social media works and algorithm works and other things as well. So this is the example of media ecology. In conclusion, moreover, while our articles has summarized the key lessons of different frameworks, it remains difficult to clearly apply an ecology lens to media and movement because of the contrast in the conceptual of what a media ecology represents and the fast evolving scenarios of contemporary media that continuously changing our understanding of media ecologies. In summary, media ecology theory provides a valuable framework for understanding how media communication technologies profoundly shapes our culture, society, and personal lives. It highlights the idea that media are not neutral tools, but powerful forces that influence our perception and behaviors. This theory reminds us to critically analyze the impact of different forms of media on our world and emphasize the need for media literacy in our ever evolving technologies and landscapes. So these are some references which I have used. Thank you. Now you can ask me a question.
So, Drashti, my question is, how has the internet transformed media ecology?
Okay. So in 20th century we know that internet is very fast, like we are now having a 5G. So media ecology is also of like using the technologies, or we can say a form of technologies. So yeah, the internet is playing a vital role in media ecology. So yeah, that's the thing, like internet transforms the media ecology.
Just according to you, how has the digital age affected media ecology?
Yes. So, I also mentioned in my presentation that medias, there are so many mediums nowadays to convey our conversation or doing conversation. Like WhatsApp is there, Instagram is there, other things are there, like social media is there. So, the form of these kind of medias are transforming nowadays, and in digital age we are having so many tools to communication. And another thing about these tools is also that in that time there are so many miscommunication as well through these tools. So yeah, that's the thing, that digital age can affect media ecology. Thank you. I hope you are satisfied with my answer. Thank you.